Okay, for this task, the task number 8, we are working on the statistics, and this is a quite simple task. Okay, so what we need here is we need a file which is a sample data. So you should be able to download this from the link of the Google Drive provided. So when you look at this file, it would be some numbers. Okay, so you are going to what you are doing here, you are going to read this data, and we are going to do some simple statistics functions here in NumPy. Okay, so firstly you begin with importing the libraries as usual, and to read a raw data file. So you can use the command from NumPy, the gen from text command. So should be gen from text, and then followed by the file name. So the file name is called the sample data dot txt, and then you are going to read this and throw this data into an array called x. Okay, so let's see if we can read the data. Oh, okay. So if there is no error, that means the data has been read successfully. Okay, so if there is the error, so mostly the error might be from your data file is not in the same path, or is not in the same directory as your Python source code. Okay, so make sure that you are doing the right directory. Okay, so whenever you have read this one, and you print out the X, so this one for this case, your data file has been read successfully, and you have an array called X. Then after that, we are going to print the average and the standard deviation out from this data. So what we do here is we're just trying to print. Okay, and what we are printing is, yeah, you can write out some lovely text like the average. Okay, the average plus minus SD of this data is, okay. So again, we put the C the C number format again. So 8.3f is the 8 digits with 3 decimal numbers. Then so okay, I will put the plus minus here again, and then %, and followed by the numbers in the arguments. So the first arguments will be the numpy dot average x, and the second arguments will be the numpy dot std. So the std function here stands for the standard deviation. Okay, so if just simply printing the average and the standard deviation. Okay, so here is your average value from your data file, and this is the standard deviation calculated from your data file. And here you can also try to plot the raw data simply by type plt plot, and just plot the array x. Okay, and it will just give you all the values in the file. But this is not looking so clear, so you might want to change this into the dot. Okay, so just type the k dot in the quote. Yeah, so the plot will give you the black dots. Okay, so these are distributions of your raw data. Okay, so that's the end of this task.